This is the main interface. We can adjust the layout by tapping this icon. On the bottom is a plus icon to add a new node. We also have a row that we'll cover soon. This menu has archived and deleted nodes, labels and settings. By default, the recently modified nodes are on the top. But if you hold down onto a node, you'll notice the pin icon. Pinned nodes will always be on the top. The same pin option is visible when you open or create a node. I'll create a new node now. The top is the node's title. We can tap the return button or the empty area to edit the node itself. Type to your Hertz content. I'll write a credit card email. Keep supports adding other things in a node. Let's add an image by choosing it from this list. I'll add this car image as this car is the reason I can't pay my credit card. We can add multiple photos. I want to draw something now. Choose the option and start drawing. You'll notice a row containing drawing tools. This one is a pen. Tap the already selected tool to see its options. The pen tool has colors and thickness. To the left is the eraser. Choose it and erase the drawn content. You can select a drawing with the selection tool. Tap in a drawing will select it, but to select multiple, just drag on the area. Then we can adjust the drawing size and rotation. Google Keep is simple and because of that, it's limited. In a single node, we can either have text or checklists. For example, if I click tick boxes, the existing text will be converted as well. Now every paragraph will be a checklist. We can convert this node back to text by tapping this menu and then hide checkboxes. We can also add a specific type of node from the main interface. Tap the option you want. Tap this format icon to open the rich text row. Keep has the basic options. Let's add a heading and type something. Going to the next line will activate the default text. We can select text and then make it bold, italicize it and underline it. The last tool will clear the formatting. Keep is also intelligent because of its AI features. When you record your voice, it will convert that recording into text. You will have both versions to keep. The app can also extract text from an image. Let's add this photo as an example. Then go here and click Grab Image Text. Keep will do a great job. We can also grab text from drawings. Write something and tap the same option. Here we go. We have the text below. Now we'll add someone to collaborate on a node. To add a user, go here and tap Collaborator. They must have a Keep account. Type in their email. You can add multiple users at the same time. When you do, they'll receive an email. They don't need to approve the invite as they'll find this node in their Keep account. Google Keep, unlike some other apps, takes time to sync the changes. So if you need a real-time collaboration program, you will need to choose a different one. I've edited this node from my other account, but I don't see the changes. I must wait about a minute for the changes to sync. Here we go. The changes are now synced. Any user with access to this node can add other users. From my other account, I'll add someone else. Now if we refresh, we'll see that user. If you want to send a copy of the node, you can do so by tapping send. You can convert this node to Google Docs if you want more rich text options and more control over collaborators. To send this node to someone, click here and then choose the app. Depending on the app, the text, recording and media will be sent. Another great feature of Keep is reminders. It has something unique and I'll tell you what, but to get reminder notifications, tap this icon. The app has some default times and you can update those from settings. We can choose a specific date and time. The repeat feature lets you repeat reminders. We can run daily, weekly, monthly and even yearly reminders. Depending on the chosen period, you'll see the options. But that's not the best part. Google Keep supports location-based reminders. Look up your place here. I'll put in my workplace. For this to work, you'll need to allow Google Keep to check your location in the background. Then when you go to that place, Google Keep will remind you. The top row is the search function. It shows a few options to find nodes quickly. The top ones are the node types. Then are labels. We also have AI generated categories based on your nodes. Then are people and nodes by colors. The search function looks up title, text, and text within images. Now labels are like text. We can add a label from this screen. They are helpful in organizing your workflow. You can also add labels with the hash symbol. Insert it and then choose a label. Or you can create a new one. Once done, we can delete the text. You'll find the existing labels and can tap on them to see added nodes. We can archive nodes. Archiving a node means hiding this node temporarily. Archiving does not mean deleting the node. Tap the first icon to archive it. You will find your archive nodes here. To bring this node back, tap the same button. Google Keep also has a recycle bin. Let's explore that. To delete a node, tap those 3 dots and delete. This node will be found in the deleted area. It will be saved there for 7 days, then the app will permanently delete it. Before we end this video, let's cover some additional features. Google Keep suggests grocery items in checkbox nodes. Type the item and see the suggestion. It supports a wide range of products. Also, the best way to benefit from it is adding the Google Keep widget on the home screen. Choose what you want to display. I will choose pin nodes and then pin this node in the app. Then I can just tap on it to open the list and mark items as I buy. The next feature is adding grid lines in a node. This helps you draw on the canvas. Google Keep also has undo and redo buttons. As you type, you'll see undo, and if you tap it, the redo button will be visible to redo the last move. Then are the background images and colors to set a node's background. Then as we talked, we can see the same colored nodes on the search interface. Lastly, you can draw over an image. Open the image and tap the brush on the top. Choose your pen from below and start drawing. Great! So this is it for this video. If you liked it, please see my other videos. I'll catch you next time. Take care.